Hi guys, what's going on? I'm so excited to see your happy faces. Another week just passed. We don't have any snow this week and many families enjoy to send finally kids to the school. This week I sold house in Union Hill in Redmond. This property is gone. But before we go to Seattle Eastside market update, I want to tell you guys about amazing story happens with me this week. Nick Rush reached out to me. He's a famous YouTuber, have hundreds of thousands subscribers on his YouTube channel, and his video viewed by millions of people. And thank you so much Alina and Artyom for recommendations. We have blessed time with Nick all day. And guys, subscribe for his YouTube channel. I'll put a link below. Smash like button. I hope you will enjoy as I was enjoying. Now let's talk about Seattle's Eastside real estate market update. So what's happened this week is 140 homes went on the market. If somebody's thinking the market is not hot right now, it's really mistaken, because over 100 people received key just this week from their home, and they're going to be enjoy spring of 2019 in own property. Now let's talk about my 3 favorite listings I personally choose and I'm thinking going to be sold this week. So listing number 1, property listed in Kirkland for $595,000. It's a North Kirkland, Juanita area, and I think this price going to be attract a lot of buyers, especially for condition this property is presented. My second favorite listings, the property listed for $788,000 in Rose Hill, Redmond. So why I'm thinking this property going to be sold? Because only 1.5 miles from Microsoft, 2 miles from Google, and 2 miles from Facebook Oculus department. Location is the key in real estate, and I think this property going to be sold with multiple offers. And my third favorite listings, property listed in Bellevue for $950,000. Spirit-rich neighborhood, very close location to I-90 highway. It's only 15 minutes from downtown Seattle. So what you can get when you drive 15 minutes from Seattle, you can get Bellevue School District, you can get a nice neighborhood and very private settings. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Smash like button and stay tuned for my future videos. You see my number on the screen, reach out to me. I will be love to be your real estate resource and make a fantastic week.